Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. I want to show you ways to replace your ink. There are two ways to do this. The first one is for you to use up arrow, go to ink image, select OK, then scroll down. You will see from the left replace ink or print supply sheet. So go to the left and select OK to replace ink, then select OK. Select OK again, replace ink, select start. Okay, then you open up the printer and the ink holder will move and position itself. Then you can remove the ink. There are another way, so I'm going to close. I'm not going to remove it now, but this is what you need to do so that you can remove it. But if I remove it now, put it back, it will take me another 4 minutes for this to be set. So another way to remove the ink, if you close this, select OK, replacement complete. Then you go back to home page. Another way to replace the ink is for you to go to the maintenance. Select maintenance, select OK. Then you scroll down. You will see print head nozzle check, print head cleaning, power cleaning. Keep going. You will see print head alignment. Then you will see ink cartridges replacement. Select OK. Replace ink. Select next. Select OK. Then select start. Select OK. Then open up the printer. Then you take off the ink. Select OK. Then this will move and go back to the corner. And if you look on the ink cartridges, it will show you that the ink cartridges is not installed correctly. But this is exactly how this works, how to remove the ink. You can also put this back again, like I mentioned earlier. Then you select next, press OK, then push the ink cartridges OK. Then it will bring this out for you to install the ink. Here we go, and it's positioned itself. Then you can go back in again and put each individual ink to the, so put this inside, take magenta, push it inside, cyan, push it inside, black, push inside. And if you look on the screen, it will show you that all of them are tick, blue, good mark. Select OK, then close it. Now I will tell you, please wait initialization. So this is how to replace and remove the ink. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you and stay blessed.